Here's a clever little site called Hootsuite, and actually gives you a one bit of click of information you can share with multiple sites, which I'll show you in a second. So just put that into Google and it should come top of the search engines. And basically what you'll be able to do is share with all these different sites with one click, which I'll show you in a second. So I've got halfway through the sign up process there. So this is what the page looks on the sign up. So you just click there, and what it'll actually then do is it'll send you a password to your email address, which you've actually got to go and pick up. Well, it doesn't even do that. I can actually show you what to do straight away on this. So basically what you've got here is like all the different things you want to actually link it to. So all you do is click on start with Twitter, and it says connect automatically. So basically it goes through there, and then basically what you've got to do is add your Twitter username and password and allow, and that'll actually connect you to Twitter. Then you go to Facebook. I'm actually just using the Facebook fan page. I haven't actually linked to my normal Facebook page because I'm putting everything through Facebook fan page, which you'll understand if you've read the book that I've done, or the information in that book. So you click to the fan page, again connect with the fan page. Carry on connecting to the fan page, and then I'll ask you to add in your email address and password for the fan page. That will connect you to that one. And then the other social networks you want to add it to, I'm actually doing WordPress. You can do the whole lot if you want, and that then give you the facility to actually link them all together. So I'll show you in a second how you do that. So once you've linked the whole three, or the ones you want to link together, you'll actually be able to do it all in one email. Now one little thing that I'm going to show you now in a second as well is for shortening links, and there's a little site called Link Shortener, and this is where you want to go to. So what happens, you've got a bigger long link like that, and then once you've put it in and click shorten, it comes to a little link like that. So for Twitter, which you're not allowed to put that many digits on, it's very simple to use to have something as short as that rather than as long as that, because it gives you sort of information that you can share much easier with less letters, which will stop you on Twitter. It doesn't matter on the other ones because you could plenty on that. So you've got to sign up here for free again, and then put your username when you go into that, and I'll come back in a second and show you how to do the share the information on the Hootsuite.